also wanted to give a shout out to Bug Out Brad. Sending me my first sticker. I'm gonna have to get me a sticker board. Stay alive longer, fire, water, shelter, food. Very useful words there. Thank you, Brad. Well, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I got lots of catching up to do on watching your videos. All the very best, everyone. Hey guys, how's it going today? I just wanted to show you some of my Fatwood haul from yesterday. It's just a small haul, but this little bit came off of 2 dead limbs off a red pine. Very well saturated. These came off of 2 dead limbs, as you see. But yeah, I think I'm gonna put some of this in, give it away to some of you guys. This one here I start feathering with my Mora knife. This isn't the expensive one I was gonna get. This one was like 12 bucks, but let me tell you what, best 12 bucks I've ever spent on a knife. I'm very pleased with this knife. You see I got a little sap on there. Need to clean that off. But I would definitely recommend this knife. Not too big of a fan of the case though. I mean, yeah, I can hook it on my belt or my bag. I think I may have a custom sheath made. Again, I've been pretty busy lately, guys. My German Shepherd had puppies. She had 5 puppies, so I'm going to be busy with them too. They're like 7 days old now. About 3 weeks, maybe 4 weeks old, I'm going to start training them. These are just the limbs that I got the Fatwood off them. As you see, very dead limbs. Lots of resin in there.